Hey guys, if you're watching this video, you've decided to do Bloxels as your digital project. So that means you've finished all of your research, you have 6 pieces of information, and you want to tell a story through a video game. The first thing you have to do is to fill out a storyboard. That's what it looks like. It has 6 blocks and lines underneath it. Now those lines, that's where you're going to separate all of your 6 pieces of information go in those lines. And the way Bloxels works, it is kind of an old-fashioned video game. It only has one character, and the character can move forwards, backwards, jump, and can shoot. And there are several different colors of blocks, and the blocks mean different things. So you can make it look kind of like a scene, but not totally like you could in maybe Scratch. But this video game will tell a story. So you want to plan that out on your storyboard. Now you don't have to draw the pictures exactly, just kind of get an idea of what you might like to put to go with those words. Then you'll get a tablet and a set of Bloxels. This is when you go to the tablet, you want to go right here to Bloxels Builder. And I do not know why it keeps doing that. There it goes. Okay, there's Bloxels Builder. And it goes there, and sometimes if the last student didn't get out of his game, well, that's where it'll be. So we're going to go to the start screen. If it's your first time to be in Bloxels, you have to create a game. Now, this is really important. You can't use anyone else's game. You have to create a game for you. So you go to build a game, build a new game, and then with this arrow right over here, that very first one says My Game, and in the top left-hand corner there's a little I. You press that I. Well, there it goes. And then you name the game your name right here. You click that, and then you get that out and you type whatever your name is. Like, I'm just going to put Becky. Okay, and I say okay. And I save and close it. Now see there, now that game is Becky. And because the white line is around it, that's the game I'm in. So you notice that there are games with other people's names. You do not mess with anybody else's game. You only do your game, the game with your name. So then when you go in there, that's the default screen. And this is all the different ones you can make. And remember, you have to make 6 frames, because that's how many pieces of information you have. Now, if once you create a game and you work on it and you go back the next day and you want to go in, well, if you went to this start screen, you don't click that again. You don't make another new game, but you click this arrow and then you find the game that's yours. And you click it and it goes back into your game. Okay? Now the tutorials on the Makerspace tab will tell you how to create a game, how to create an animation, a character, boards and backgrounds. So you need to learn all of that from that. So you'll get the tablet and you'll get the Bloxels box, and you need to pay attention to the number on the back of your tablet. Oh, that one's upside down. Because if we don't log out of the account, then your game will only be on this tablet until we log out and we sync them all together. So go ahead and pay attention to what tablet you get and make sure you get the same one the next day. Bloxels is a lot of fun, but all of the words need to go on a white, where the white cube goes, because the white space is the story cube. Everything in the tutorials will explain it to you. And I'll be back before you're done, so because you're going to be in here for 2 weeks doing these makerspaces, so you'll be able to actually finish this project. All right, so see you when I get back. Talk to you later.